Crossing the Border. Thanks Michael Alpert for bringing this song in our lives. As a young man he traveled through Russia with his uncle and two other singers, but they drafted him into the army, so he had to escape from there. And the guards they'd bribed at the border started shooting at him and the others. They turned back, but he kept on going, and kept going for 92 years. We are crossing the border. We are crossing the border. We are crossing the border. Come go, come go, come go. He got passage in Nova Scotia, got married in Manitoba, shoveled dirt for the Canadian Pacific, carried odd when they built the hotel. Land was $1 an acre, but he was too careful to buy it. So when they found oil on it, he still had his story to tell. We are crossing the border. We are crossing the border. We are crossing the border. Come go, come go, come go. Then he moved down south from the border, by the mills on the Merrimack River. He pumped gas and kept store for a living. He raised up his daughter and sons. He'd sit at the head of the table, drinking Haig and Haig pinch bottle whiskey. And I wonder how someone so gentle could have done all the things that he'd done. We are crossing the border. We are crossing the border. We are crossing the border. Come go, come go, come go. He got old and lived by the ocean. I came with my children to see him. He looked through the cataract at them, but I know that he saw them just right. We buried him up in New England. Some say it's home for the wanderer, but the home is where the heart is, and my heart's with my Zadie tonight. We are crossing the border. We are crossing the border. We are crossing the border. Come go, come go, come go. We are crossing the border. We are crossing the border. We are crossing.